I'm so excited to share my Boo fall basket with you. I've been seeing them all over TikTok and Halloween, and I thought it would be so much fun to create one of my own. The first thing that I put in there is my standee. Then I put like my little candle. I got it from TK Maxx. It's a little pumpkin and it smells heavenly. Then I have my little ghost candle, which is so adorable. Then I have my little ghost mug. I got it from Home Bargains and it was really cheap. And it's so cute. Then I have my little soap. Then I have this adorable little mug. I also found it from Home Bargains. It's like a little white pumpkin. And it was really adorable. Then I have my pumpkin from TK Maxx with pink and gold. Then I have some macaroons. I just love to have some macaroons. Then I have my little rosehip mask, which smells heavenly. Then I have my butt salts. I have acai butt salts with a little skin. Then I'm going to put some flowers. I just love how everything turned out. I'm still in love with my standee and my little soap. Beautiful candle. This candle smells so good. It just smells like the fall season. And I love this little ghost for Halloween. It's so adorable. And it smells really good as well. Just love this like rose face mask. I love the packaging. It's so pretty. Just love the pink and the gold. My little ghost mug is so adorable. My butt sauce. I just love to have some butt sauce. This is the acai berry butt sauce and it smells heavenly. It smells really sweet. And I just love to have a nice and relaxing bath in the fall season. So it's perfect. I just love to have some delicious macaroons. They're my favorite little treat. I just love how this fall basket turned out. I think it's so adorable. And I think it's such a cute idea to make a little fall/Halloween or Boo basket for the fall season. It makes me really excited for the fall season. And to use all of these amazing products for the fall and Halloween. I'm so in love with this from TK Maxx. So beautiful. Just love like the gold details. I'm so in love with how this Boo basket turned out. It turned out so adorable. And you can also like give it as a little gift to someone, which I really, really love. So pretty. I'm so in love with this like pumpkin mug. It's so adorable. I think like all of these products are perfect for the fall season because I love to have like my fall drink in my standee mug, especially when I go outside and it's really cold. Fall basket. I just love to have some soaps. This soap smells heavenly. I added some roses as well. And this beautiful candle that I got from TK Maxx. is from Bailey's and Harding's. I never know how to pronounce it. This is from Bailey's and Harding's, and I think it's like a new collection, and it smells so good. It smells heavenly. It's my favorite scent. And this is like a shower gel, button shower gel, and I also have like a hand soap, which is like my favorite, and it smells so heavenly. I got this beautiful Stanley mug, which I wanted for so long, and I think it's perfect to put in my little boo basket. Then I have some macaroons. I just love to have some macaroons. Such a delicious treat. I love this little pumpkin. I got it from TK Maxx. It's so pretty. I love the pink and the gold. I love this little candle, like little ghost candle. It's so adorable. And it smells just like fall. It smells so good. And it's perfect for Halloween and fall season. I also got this rose mask. I love the packaging. It's so pretty. Then I have my little ghost mug. So cute. Then I have a little rose. Then I have my little pot sauce. So yes, I thought it would be so much fun to have a little like fall / boo basket. So yeah, this is my fall / boo basket for the Halloween and fall season. I just